My name is Mike, and welcome to Mad River Outdoors.
Welcome back to the channel today. Thanks for stopping by. We've got a major project going on. We're trying to get a 24/7 live camera installed, and we have no internet. So we met with a cable installer, and he said all these trees in back of me need to be cut. So everything from the road all the way to the pole behind me needs to be cut and removed so that they can run their line. Should be a pretty interesting project, and I think at the end of the day, when we get this 24/7 camera rolling, I think it'll be a really great addition to the channel. So let's go ahead and get started on this week's project. So I'm thinking as far as cutting this stuff down, like I'm not worried about getting it right close to the ground. Let's just get it out. Oh.
Over your head. I got it.
Ah. Now see, this is why this stuff is good, because we'll probably impale ourselves on it.
Well, that's what I'm thinking. Get it on camera too right away.
Yeah, absolutely.
And really get some hits.
Hey, at least the channel get popular somehow. It shouldn't even be near the wire. Oh, I lied. It's near the wire. So as you can see, we're about halfway done at this point. We got a few more trees on this side, and then we got to move over to the other side of the culvert that we got to dig out. That'll be in a future video. Let it lean forward. Watch your fingers. So we've been working on this for about 2.5 hours at this point, and as you can see, we're up to the very last tree. We got a few more cuts left here, and then this main section is done. We got a few more cuts over there off to the other side that we got to take care of, and then we can move on to the next project, which is probably burning all of this brush. Beautiful. All right, come forward and kind of make a path. All right, stop. This is what makes for action TV, Robert.
Yeah. It's nice, though.
All right, so we're over at the camp finally, and we're gonna get this Reolink camera installed. As I mentioned before, it's a 180-degree view, so it's got a camera on each side, and then it's got 2 floodlights on the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna mount the camera up there where the other camera was located, and then this is the camera we're gonna be using to get our stream going. So let's go ahead and get this mounted though. All right, so one of the great things about this camera is that it only requires an Ethernet line using PoE, and that will feed power to the camera as well as both the lights. So it becomes a motion light as well as a camera that I can run 24/7. So we're gonna take this thing and we're gonna stick this right in here on these little tabs. Comes with a small Ethernet jumper, a bunch of hardware to connect it to your wall, and a mounting bracket. So you're gonna take this bracket and you're gonna set it on here, or you're gonna mount it and then set this on here, and then you take this hook and attach it right there, and then plug your wires in, and then there's one screw in the bottom that you'll put through, and that connects everything together. Should take us about 5 minutes to get this installed. I wanted to show you guys what this looks like now that it's all been cut out. It looks great. There's no more brush underneath this power wire. We'll have to come back in the spring and clean this up, but it looks tremendously better than it did. As you can see, the installer had no problem running the line, so I'm just happy that things worked out the way that they did. This is where the provider came in and installed the line. You can see he's got it just laying on the ground. So he's gonna bring in a trencher, and they're gonna trench it from the pole all the way to the house. I'm really happy with all the improvements that we've been able to do on this property in the 1 year that we've had it. You can see all the pile of debris that we have back there. We still have to take down the exterior building that's been dilapidated for several years. We've gone through and we cleaned up a lot of areas around the pond just to make it look more aesthetically pleasing. We ended up getting that tree stump burned out. We got it leveled off. Now we got to plant some grass seed there. So I'm really happy with the outcome so far. Fingers crossed that we can keep moving forward little by little, and at some point in the near future, we'll go ahead and make this place a livable, enjoyable place to hang out. Thank you for taking the time to watch my channel. I really appreciate it. If you'd like this kind of content, consider hitting that subscriber button. We're pushing towards 1,000 subscribers. I'd love to get there. Check out that live stream that's going on. This is the live shot that you'll be getting. So I hope you'll be willing to check it out. Check the link in the description and check the live page. Thank you for your time today. This is Mike with Mad River Outdoors, signing off till the next episode.